This 2018 Infiniti QX30 is brought to you by Twins Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram, your neighborhood trusted dealership. This Infiniti is powered by Wush, front-wheel drive, automatic transmission, intercooled turbo premium unleaded i4200L121 engine, and has 153 miles. Drive-in luxury 2018 Infiniti Q30. Style, comfort, and performance await you. Here are some of the features. Visit us today to test drive this car and similar vehicles. Don't forget to follow us to receive daily new listings in your neighborhood.